Are you superhuman or worse than average? In what, you might ask? Juggling? Nah. How well can you hear? We have the coolest hearing test for you. So, testing, 1, 2, 3, 946 176 3871. Did you get those last 10 digits? That was an important phone number actually, and this was the shortest, coolest hearing test ever. Just kidding, it was not. However, being able to hear all those numbers is something you owe to your ears. An average human is capable of hearing frequencies from 20 Hz to 2000 Hz. The older we get, the harder it becomes for us to hear high-frequency sounds. The worse it gets, the fewer chances you have of hearing the birds sing, the beeping of your microwave, and even consonants like S, H, or F. You don't want that to happen to you, right? Do you have any reasons to worry about it? How can you test your ears? Well, Brightside has a simple but 100% accurate test you can take, and we're going to run it in a few moments. When it's done, we're going to share some fun facts on hearing we bet you didn't know. Are you ready for it? Then give this video a like and let's get started. What should you do? Put on your headphones. Make sure you're in a quiet place with no background noises. If you are surrounded by people, politely tell them to shush up. Pardon me, we are running a vital experiment here, you know. Could you please put a lid on it? Just remember to say please and be persistent. You are going to be exposed to sound frequencies a human ear can't perceive. We'll travel across and beyond the human audio spectrum. As soon as your ears start actually perceiving the sound, stop the video and you will see your results. Ready? Let's go! You didn't hear that one, did you? You did? Oh, sorry. Here it goes for real.